Hi, I'm Giancarlo C. Balbin from BSMT second year dash 4. I'm discussing the Annex 1 Regulation 31 to Regulation 39. Regulation 31. Prevent of oil pollution. In order to avoid discharge of oil from machinery space specific, the specification of oil discharge monitoring and controlling the system. Uh, Regulation 32, it describes procedures for preventing oil pollution during cargo holding, unloading, and handling activities, including the use of oil discharge monitoring and controlling system. Regulation 33. The discharge of oil into the sea is prohibited by this regulation. Control of operation, discharge of oil, unless its certain criteria are met, such as when the ship is far from the shore and the oil content does not exceed specific thresholds. Regulation 34. Control of pollution by noxious liquid chemicals in bulk. Cover the transport and discharge of noxious liquid chemicals and establishments stringent guidelines and regulations to reduce environmental harm. Regulation 35. The prevention of pollution by hazardous materials transported by sea in pack form addresses the labeling and packaging of hazardous materials transported by the ships to guard against pollution in the event of unintentional release. Regulation 36. Prevention of pollution by sewage from ships. Cover the sewage discharge in establishments discharge restrict from the land, specifically area requirements. Regulation 37. Prevention of pollution by garbage from ships. Regulate how garbage is disposed of at sea, classifying it into several kinds of laying forth specific disposal procedures by this regulation. Regulation 38. In order to reduce air emission from ships. Prevent of air pollution from ships. Establish emissions controls areas or AACs. Last, Regulation 39. Survey and certification. The requirements of surveys and certifications to confirm that the ships is aside by earlier standards and covered in these regulations.